Welcome to the world of AliExpress. It's a massive online marketplace where you can find a vast array of products from sellers all around the globe. You can find almost anything you can imagine, from the latest electronics to trendy fashion, home goods, and much more. AliExpress connects buyers in Egypt with sellers all over the world, making it easy to get what you need no matter where you are. This means great prices for you, with discounts and deals that make shopping even more enjoyable. It's very popular, with millions of people using it every day to find the best deals and unique items. Ready to start shopping? The first step is creating an account. This will give you access to all the features and benefits AliExpress has to offer. It's easy and only takes a few minutes. Just fill out the form with your details and you're ready to go. Once you have an account, you can browse the incredible selection of products, add items to your cart, and start shopping. Think of something you want, whether it's a gift for a friend or something special for yourself. Now imagine finding it at a great price, with discounts that make it even more affordable. That's the magic of AliExpress. You can find what you need, save money, and enjoy the convenience of online shopping. In the next section, we'll walk you through setting up your account, so you can start enjoying all the benefits of shopping on AliExpress. Let's get you set up on AliExpress. Go to the AliExpress website. You'll see options to sign in or join. Click on Join to create your account. AliExpress will ask for some basic information. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Make sure you choose a password you can remember. Next, AliExpress needs to know where to send your goodies. Fill in your delivery address in Egypt carefully. Double-check that everything is correct. Accurate information ensures your packages arrive safely. Now you're ready to explore the world of AliExpress. AliExpress has a huge selection of products, ranging from electronics to fashion, home goods, and more. It can be a little overwhelming at first, especially with so many options available. But don't worry, finding what you need is easy once you know how to navigate the site. Use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly locate specific items. Simply type in the product you're looking for and hit enter. AliExpress will show you all the matching results, making it easy to compare different options. You can also browse by category if you're not sure exactly what you want. Look for categories like electronics, which includes gadgets and accessories, fashion, which covers clothing, shoes and accessories, or home for furniture and decor. Each category has many subcategories to help you narrow down your search even further. This helps you find exactly what you're looking for. Found something you like? Take some time to explore the product page thoroughly. You'll see pictures, detailed descriptions, and reviews from other buyers. These reviews can tell you a lot about the product's quality, durability, and overall satisfaction from other customers. Ready to buy? Let's walk through the process step by step. Adding an item to your cart is simple and straightforward. Just click the Add to Cart button on the product page. It's that easy. You can add multiple items to your cart, so feel free to browse and select everything you need. Once you're ready to check out, click on the cart icon, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Review the items in your cart carefully. This is your chance to make sure you haven't missed anything. Make sure everything is correct, from the quantity to the product specifications. Now it's time to choose your shipping method. This step is crucial for timely delivery. AliExpress offers different shipping options to Egypt. Some options are faster, while others are more economical. Compare the shipping times and costs to find the best option for your needs. Select the option that works best for you, balancing speed and cost. Next, choose your payment method. AliExpress supports a variety of payment options. AliExpress accepts various payment methods, including credit cards and PayPal. Enter your payment information and confirm your order. Congratulations, you did it. Your order is now being processed and will be on its way to you soon.